Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LTZ. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and a Allison 1006 speed transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 57,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.